Want to bring your custom character to life in Unreal Engine? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import your character, set up materials, and make it ready for animation. Let's get started. First, open Unreal Engine and create a new project or use an existing one. Make sure it's set to the third person or blank project with the right settings for your game. Now, import your character model. Go to File, Import and select your FBX file. Make sure the import settings are correct. A preview blueprint will show up. Close it, and you will see all asset imported from Content Browser. The x-axis is not correct. We will update it in the character blueprint later. All textures and materials are created. Remember to save all assets. Now drag character skeleton mesh to the scene and adjust scale if needed. And that's it. Your character is now imported, materials are set up, and it's ready for animation in Unreal Engine. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content. See you in the next one.